Okay, so this is the phase 3 of the experiment, where you can see, where you will see how the firing switch will come to play and how the temperature rise is being will be noted by us. So after the firing switch is pressed up, you can see the voltage becomes 0, and you can see the voltage from 18 or 19 volt, it is suddenly drops to 0, and the ignition and the switch is off. That means there is no connection now between the anode and the cathode. And now we will observe the temperature rise. So this is your T1 after the firing switch, the temperature after 1 minute. So you need a stopwatch, and time to time after 1 minute you take the reading. You can see the temperature is rising. In each 1 minute we will take the reading.
Rapidly rise.
See, just 1 minute is over. You can note down the temperature 20.17. So in the zone 1, as we have shown in the graph, you can see that in the zone 1 there is a sharp rise in temperature in the heating zone, and that has been from this temperature recordings. So you can see there is a sharp rise in temperature. Okay, take this reading as T2. That means the temperature after 2 minutes 21.8, and you can see how fast the temperature is rising. This switch is off, that means there is no connection in the two electrodes. That means our experiment is
সাউন্ডটা ক্যাচ করবে না, দূরে হচ্ছে সাউন্ডটা ক্যাচ।
for uniform heating. We have increased the speed of the fan. Okay, take this reading 23.01 as T3, temperature after 3 minutes. So you can see how fast the temperature is being increasing. Take this reading as T4, 23.93. The temperature is being increasing very rapidly. So take this reading as T5, 24.4. So you see, initially it was 19.6, and how much it is rapidly increasing. So just note down the rate, okay? And we will wait for the equilibrium zone to come, and there will be no change in temperature. Okay, note this reading as T6. Now after say 20 reading, you plot the graph. Okay. Now initially in the phase 2, we have discussed that it might go up to 40 reading, 50 reading, depending on the amount of water taken, depending on the mass of the fuel taken. So it may converge or it may come in equilibrium within 20 minutes also, or it may 10 minutes also, 15 minutes also. So first you note down all the temperature in the temperature table or the adsorption table for temperature. After that plot the graph, and from that we will get the concept how much, so what will be the zone 1, zone 2 and zone 3. So first the graph is needed to be plotted. So note this as T7, 25.28. We have to wait for the temperature to decrease. Already there is an increase by 7 degrees Celsius. Okay, you can note this as T8, 25.9. So still increasing. That means in the zone 1, heating zone. If after the firing switch is on, if your voltage is not coming to 0 and this light does not put it off, okay, if it still is on, that means your connection, there is a problem, or maybe some water leakage or water entry inside the bomb or in the electrical connection may affect the experimental procedure, and you will get a incomplete combustion. So that will not give you the CV. Okay. So for a okay, first you note down this 25.7 or 25.69 as T9. So in this experiment, there are a lots of technical issues. Yeah, and you have to take care of all these things. If after the firing switch, if the light is still on, that means there is a problem with the electrical connection. And then you need to again go to the technical basics. You need to check the electrical connection and you need to set up again. Okay, take this reading 26.11 as T10. 26.11. Now you can see from 26.11 it is 26.10. No, increasing, still increasing. Okay, it is the zone 1. Now there may be a sudden drop by 0.1 degree or 0.01 degree due to the constant cooling by the starter. So don't confuse yourself. So only note the reading after 1 minute. That will give you the concept. Don't consider the intermediate readings. Okay, note this 26.44 as T11. Temperature of water after 11 minutes.
কিন্তু ওয়েট তো এগুলো চেঞ্জ
বুঝলো ওটা খারাপ কি বোঝানো হয়ে গেছে don't consider the readings discussed in H2. Just this for the answer discussion. So note this reading 26.54 as T12, temperature after 12 minutes. পুরোটাই করছি সারাদিন হয়ে যাবে Okay, note this 26.49 as T13, temperature after 13 minutes. খুব বেশি বাড়বে না যা মানে বেড়ে যাচ্ছে বেশি স্লো শুধু কমছে নাকি বাড়ছে Okay, take this reading 26.59 as T14. Okay, note this 26.63 as T15. Okay, note this 26.58 as T16. Okay, note this 26.48 as T17. Okay, take this 26.46 or 45, whatever, as T18.
আরও উপরে 26.60
ছিল
না বলা ওদের তুলে নোট করা 5.66
শিওর না?
হ্যাঁ ভিডিওটা দেখলেই চলে যাবে দেখে পরে তুমি যদি কোনো অ্যাকচুয়াল বসাতে চাও দেখে ভিডিওটা দেখে তাহলে বসালে হবে
Okay, take this 26.39 or 38 as T19. Yeah, now you can see the temperature is gradually decreasing. So it is in zone 3. Zone 2 is already over. We can plot the graph later on. T13,
26.6 সামথিং ছিল এই যে কমা বাড়া এগুলো হচ্ছে মানে অ্যাকচুয়ালি এই রিভার্সগুলো প্র্যাকটিক্যালি এমন করা উচিত যে
Okay, take this reading 26.47 or 48, whatever, as T20. কম্বাসন হয়ে গেছে, অনেক বেড়েছে। নেওয়া হয়েছে প্রায় 2.5 বার, লিক হওয়ার পরে আর কি 3 বার ধরলাম, 0.5 বেরিয়ে গেছে। Now you can see that temperature is almost constant. There is hardly any blink. 0.45, 0.46, 0.47. So almost equilibrium is reached. Zone 1 is completely over. Hardly any blink. Okay, note this 26.52 as T21. এটা তো আসল, 3টে ভাগে করছে এই স্টেপে। এখানে টাইমটা দেখছি, বলে দিচ্ছি, এখানে বসিয়ে দিচ্ছি সেরকম অবস্থা। ক্যামেরাটা এখানটায় আছে। ওকে, টেক দিস রিডিং 26.42 as T22. You can see there is a little drop in temperature from 26.52 to 26.42. So sometimes the temperature will little rise, after then immediately there is a fall. The rise in temperature is due to the friction and the work input in the stirring device, the electrical stirrer, and the temperature drop is due to the backward reaction, the heat loss by the water, because now the heat will be dissipated by the water and it will be absorbed by the bomb and other apparatus. You can see that temperature is slowly decreasing. Okay, take this reading 26.39 as T23. Take the reading 26.38 as T24. Now you can see there is a little drop in temperature. First there was a rapid rise in temperature in zone 1, then almost equilibrium, then slowly the temperature is getting down, but the slope in zone 1 and zone 2 are not same. Zone 3 is very slow. It is due to the completion of the combustion inside the bomb. Take the reading 26.34 as T25. So we can see a gradual decrease in temperature. We can take more 2-3 values in order to be sure whether it is in third zone or not. So take this reading 26.26 as T26. We will take reading up to T30. Okay. Okay, take this reading 26.29 as T27. So there is a noticeable drop, okay, and constantly decreasing trend in temperature. Now we will check whether the experiment is completed or not. You can take this reading 26.32 as T28. Now we'll check whether the experiment is completed or not. That means the entire fuel has been already burnt or not. Okay, so let us check. For that, we need to put the experiment off and you need to open the enclosure. So first you put the starter off. You can see the fan is off. The fan is turned off now. And we need to switch off the main switch. Let all the connections be removed. Let